In this presentation, I want to talk to you about the Media Studies degree at Maynooth and also about Media and Cultural Studies, a subject within the Arts degree at Maynooth University. I want to talk to you about a few different aspects of the Media Studies programme, what's particularly unique or interesting about media at Maynooth, what happens in each year of our Media Studies degree, what's involved in doing Media and Cultural Studies as a subject within the Arts degree, and what kind of roles do our graduates typically take up when they finish their studies with us at Maynooth? There are two key pillars within our degree programme. On the one hand, students develop very strong critical thinking skills. They do this by exploring how the media represents individuals and social groups across lots of different kinds of texts, in everything from films to news to tweets and even TikToks. On the other hand, students also develop their own creative practice focused on digital storytelling. By working on their design skills, by making television documentaries, by putting interactive stories online, and by managing their own digital projects or short film productions, students become very skilled in digital storytelling, as well as very good at group work and collaboration. In the first year of the degree, the critical pillar is focused on exploring key questions like what is media, how does it work, and what do different media do? We look at these themes in lectures and in small group seminars, and students submit continuous assessments like essays and podcasts based on this work. In the first year of the creative pillar, students learn all about key design ideas, so the use of color or typography or images in digital screen design. They also develop key technical skills to execute their design ideas. Again, all assessment is project-based. First years also get a chance to write a documentary proposal, have their program commissioned, and go into production, learning how to use cameras, lights, and sound in order to shoot and then also edit their own program. In second year, the critical pillar continues with modules or courses on key concepts in media, and we study media research skills. In the creative pillar, second years can do script writing, shoot a multi-camera production, and further develop their interactive storytelling skills. In third year, students do modules on media industries, which help them to think about what areas of work they might like to move into, and a list of possible modules on podcasting or cinema or technology, depending on what they're most interested in at that stage. The creative practice work runs for all of third year, with students getting more time to work on a large-scale project, either an interactive online project, or they can write, produce, and direct a short film. So there are two ways to do media studies at Maynooth. Through the BA Media Studies, which I've described here in detail. That degree is listed as MH109 in the CAO. You can also do Media and Cultural Studies as a subject within the Maynooth Arts degree, listed as MH101 in the CAO. These students take the critical pillar, but not the creative pillar. A key advantage to doing media at Maynooth is that you get to do it alongside other arts subjects. So not only do you thoroughly understand how media works, you also have expertise in other subject areas like marketing or economics or history. This is particularly attractive to media employers who want graduates who have ideas, interests, and expertise in lots of different subjects. Our graduates are very skilled at taking vast amounts of complex information, processing it, and expressing it back clearly and succinctly to their audience. They have a really strong sense of what kinds of digital stories work best for different audiences. They're used to working as groups, and they've built up core collaboration and teamwork skills throughout their degree. Those skills make them very attractive to lots of different employers. In recent decades, online communication has become vital for lots of different organizations and companies. We have found that the kind of work that our students are getting has changed. Some still work in media sectors like film, television, and journalism, but increasingly we see graduates taking up jobs with advocacy groups or with large corporations, basically in any organization that has a need to communicate digitally. It's been really exciting to see students develop these skills, from their first weeks in class where they hear about critical thinking and digital storytelling, to watching them take up jobs where those same skills make an important contribution to our society. All of our staff in media studies are really committed to that project of learning. It's a process that never fails to engage us here at Maynooth, and it's a process we hope you're excited to become part of next year.